Hi, this is Cody with Denver 3D Printing. I just wanted to give a quick 3D scanning demonstration on a project that I'm working on for a customer. So here I have a Peel 2. I actually have the Peel 2 SCAD. So I am able to reproduce this tongue that a customer brought in. He wants to make these and reproduce them, but it is plaster, so he can't do that. So in come 3D scanning here with my Peel 3D scanner, and we're going to just kind of do a quick scan and go from there. So I got to watch the screen over there to make sure I'm tracking. You can see it pop up on the computer screen over there. Now I'm going to turn on my turntable. Oh, we must have missed it. More of it. We'll just have this make a couple rounds. We'll change the position of the scanner a few times so that way it catches more of it. And just like that, we got ourselves a nice little scan. So we'll stop that scan. It's going to clean up the mesh. Pretty nice replica of, oh, that's the back side. Pretty nice replica of, well, this. Off to 3D printing. Thank you for watching.